lover. Hello, my
Hello, my
friend.
friend. You
Zaki
have set
T.
me off.
Uh,
Hello.
Zachty, Zaki T is a one of a guy. Welcome to
Yeah,
another episode of Trench Tips Roast My Cold Call. Last
no
time
problem.
we listened to a cold call and we roasted it. Today
Oh yeah,
is going to be the same.
the
We are
same. What?
going,
We going for a dark roast or a light roast?
hmm, let's play the cold call and I'll let you
Okay.
decide. Okay,
Okay. Let me get my trusty notepad.
here we go. Window. Okay, are you ready for a cold call?
I certainly am, and I'm feeling extra mean.
I want to hear you say, give me that cold call, Jackie.
Ooh, 2 minutes, 22 seconds.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
222.
My name
That's
is
good.
Vivek Menon.
Okay.
I had mailed you a couple of days back. I'd sent a request on LinkedIn as well.
Yeah,
So,
it's regarding video or something like that.
yeah, it's regarding a corporate film for your company.
Yeah, I saw that. I forwarded it to our PR team. That's
All
it.
right.
So
Okay.
if they need, they will call you back.
Okay.
Okay,
No
Mr.
problem.
Lee. So
So,
already I forwarded same day to him.
okay. Okay. No
I saw
problem.
into that.
Yeah. So I just wanted to follow with them because the reason for the call was so I was researching about Sami Sabunza Group, and I see a huge scope for a creative collaboration.
Straight off the back, Zach, tell me how she's feeling.
Oh, she's feeling like you've stalked her and you've caught her out at a final destination. This is my safe place. Oh my gosh.
You sent me
And this is the
something.
problem,
Mm,
isn't it? This is the problem with the I get asked all the time, like the ideal cadences and things like that. Think about that. Just really logically think about it. I sent you an email, no response. I sent you a LinkedIn message, no response. Now I'm going to call you and tell you that. Oh,
I know.
God.
It's awkward.
Oh,
And
why do it in that order?
she even says, I passed it on. Cool. Well, I'm going to tell you why I'm here right now. I'm going to ram it down you. There was no permission.
No, I think the lack of there was like there's an urgency to the person who's delivering this as well, where they're not really hearing what the other person's saying. Which is to your point. There's that thing of like you can feel it, like wanting to kind of like override her a bit,
Yeah.
which is quite unusual. Yeah, it's sort of like you just barged in a bit here. That's the way this feels. You've just barged in, no permission, nothing.
Well, let's continue. Let's see where it goes.
I've seen the videos that you have posted, testimonials, and about particularly your interview bits on your LinkedIn page. And you have invested a lot of solar powers and everything. So I'm just surprised that you haven't done a corporate film. So I work.
That that is the line. I'm surprised you haven't done a corporate film. Going into
I've
any
been
company and saying you're doing this wrong, I'm surprised you haven't done this. Why are you not doing this? What does it feel like?
yeah,
It's intrusive.
it's an accusation.
Mm,
And what am I going to get if you're accusing me of something? What am I going to get?
defensive, baby.
Exactly. Maybe outwardly, some people will be outwardly defensive. How fucking dare you?
Mm,
And some people maybe inwardly, oh well, yeah, I've not really, but deep down they're thinking, I'm never going to answer my phone to this number again.
no, and being honest, Zach,
And come on,
I'm surprised you've not done a corporate film.
thank you. I've got a face for it. But listen, that's the issue with researching. There it is, hook, line, and sinker. Oh, you have to research, but you have to do it. Look what just happened. I've done my research. I've looked at some blah, 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 feature. I'm surprised you haven't done this thing.
Mm.
No mention of problem, no real mention of anything you can get hooked into. It's just a thing. There's nothing to that.
It's not good. It's not good, Doctor.
With a lot of C-suite executives of a company. I'll sit with them and make branding solutions for them through engaging and emotive films. So what I do is we brainstorm ideas and then I give them a tailored solutions through
What I
cinematic
do.
experience. So to tell an engaging story is what I do, and we address the pain points, we reinforce the brand
A
image,
lot of
uniqueness
talking.
of your service, what examples that you have set forward. So
Mhm.
we made a research, me and my team made a huge research about this, and we work with a lot of manufacturing, engineering, defense, and R&D companies. So
Mhm.
I see a strong fit between us, and I
Oh,
really wanted
I
to
see.
execute a work on an immediate
Strong
basis with
fit.
you. I
Immediate
know,
basis.
On an
I mean,
immediate
we were
basis.
planning to have a budget that is a win-win situation for both of us.
Mhm.
As this,
That's why I understood. I went through your all complete detail and
okay,
so, but I'm not the right person, so I forwarded it to our PR
Not
team
even the
and
right
I asked
person.
them to you talk to management and if they need, they can. So what I can do is I'll connect you in email with Harish. You can
sure.
get in touch with him.
All right. Can I get
Okay?
his mail ID then?
I'll connect you with your email only. I'll connect you.
All right, ma'am.
Okay?
No problem. Thank you so much for your time.
She's never connecting, is she? She's not connecting.
No.
Immediate. Immediate.
If there was a talk track for that dialogue there, so you get like these fancy things, don't you? It's got what you're saying, what the prospect's saying, there's percentages assigned. How much talking out of 100% did she do?
I would say 7 to 8%, if that.
Exactly. So you've dominated the whole thing, and I think just people need to really think about this. If I just approach someone in the street and say, "Stop what you're doing and listen to me," and it's a total stranger, are they going to do it?
No.
And not only that, start saying, and I'm actually so fucking great as well. Not only have I stopped me, I just want to tell you how great I am.
Immediate
It's
basis.
just,
Win-win. Careful what you say.
it was very, very feature. So the way you need to think about this, it's so straightforward, is when people come to you, so you're a content creation company, video content creation by the sound of it. When people come to you or you work with someone, what problem are they trying to solve? No one's ever slammed their hand on the desk and gone, "Oh, I just need more video content." They've probably thought of something, haven't they? They've probably spotted a competitor. I'm working against companies who they're a bit more savvy with content, and they're maybe able to be more competitive than you are and get more content out there. So how does that make the prospect feel because of that? Oh, I don't have my own skill set in house though, so I can't do it myself. I actually can't get content out there because I've got my own. You can so easily just fucking figure out a set of problems for this sort of stuff rather than just kicking the door down and going, "Oi, everyone, me."
Me. It's just very heavy on the features, the benefits, very heavy on the me, very heavy on the I'm going to talk at you. Think of it like a game of tennis. Get in there, bat it, let them take it and fiddle with it for a bit before they bat it back.
Sorry.
Tennis, 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 tennis,
Okay.
racket. That was another short but sweet episode of Roast My Cold Call, Trench Tips. If you're looking for a roast and you are a cold caller, send it over and me and Zach will have a fiddle with it.
Take care, baby.